So I have a friend on Facebook. She's a very, very good writer, but yet she doesn't know how to monetize her writing skills. She often asks me, Jabulani, how can I make money as a writer? And that's exactly what inspired this video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can make money as a writer. It does not matter the kind of writing you do. It doesn't matter if you write stories or whatsoever. All works out perfectly. So I advise you to stick to the end of this video so you can get everything in full details. And if this is your first time, my name is Jabulani, and on this channel I talk about business and how to make money online, offline, like literally anything that relates to money. I do it on this channel. Please subscribe for more content because I make amazing content. So if you're a writer, you can make money blogging. Now, what is blogging? Now, if you've been watching my videos, I talk a lot about blogging because I love blogging. In fact, I'm actually a blogger, just that I'm a part-time blogger. I'm not really serious about it. I just do it for fun though. But blogging can make you a whole lot of money. Now, what is a blog? Now, a blog is a website that provides information for people. Yes, but the difference between a blog and a regular website is that blogs are being updated regularly. So now if you go to Google and search right, who is the richest man in the world? Now most of the results you're going to see, they're going to be from mostly blogs. So that's exactly what a blog is about. If you're good at writing, then there's a high chance you can make money. So it all boils down to the question, what kind of writer are you? Are you a storyteller? Are you good at writing news? Do you write motivational articles and so on? I mean, it doesn't really matter. Yes, it doesn't really matter. You can blog about literally anything. You can write stories on your blog, you can write news on your blog, you can write motivational quotes on your blog, but anything that people are searching for, definitely you can make money from it. But just be sure that whatever you are blogging about, people are actually interested in it. Yes, you cannot blog about what people are not interested in. People have to be interested in what you're blogging about before people can actually read your articles, and then you can make money from it. So now how can you make money blogging? You can make money blogging through mainly Google AdSense, selling your own product on your blog, affiliate marketing, sponsorship deals, and so on. So I must say that starting and running a blog, or should I say growing a blog, is not that easy. I mean, it's really discouraging. That's why I advise you do something you are passionate about. So just in case you do not want to go over the stress of starting your own blog, growing it, SEO and all that shit, you can actually be a guest writer on different blogs. Yes, and you can still get paid. And there are so many blogs that actually pay writers to write on their blog. But before you can actually be an effective guest writer on blogs, you have to master a skill called SEO writing. Yes, now what is SEO? SEO means search engine optimization. Now, SEO is actually what makes a blog post to rank number 1 or number 2 on Google search results. Yes, you need to master the skill of SEO writing, even if you are starting your own blog. So anything about blogging, then you have to master SEO writing, whether you own your own blog or you are a guest writer on different blogs. But either way, you can still make money from it. So on to the next one, publishing your own book. And I know this is a little bit old-fashioned, but I mean, it still works out. There are lots of people who have made millions of naira, millions of dollars publishing their own book. You can publish a book about literally anything. You can publish a book about food. Maybe you can just write a recipe. I mean, you can write a book about literally anything and sell it out. But at the end of the day, you are going to still make money. All you have to do is get audience. Then you can publish your own book and be like, hey guys, I've published my very first book. If you have high affinity on your social media platforms, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and your followers love you, I mean, they interact well with you. But when you publish your first book and inform them, definitely they're going to patronize you and you're going to make money. The next on the list is writing an ebook. Now, an ebook cannot be accessed physically. I mean, you cannot hold an ebook. You have to access it through maybe a laptop or a device. So therefore, an ebook is a digital material. So again, it does not matter the kind of writer you are or what you write. You could simply write an ebook on so many topics, like lots and lots of topics. You could write your stories on ebook. You could write books for teenagers, maybe books for marriage, also whatsoever. It could be a book for advice, for motivational stuff, even Christian books. I mean, you could do that on ebook and sell it. You could sell it on Amazon. There are so many platforms you could sell ebooks, like literally so many. I'm going to link a few in the description, so once they're done, you can go and check it out. Writing an ebook is, I mean, it's time consuming and it's really stressful. Yes, writing on its own, it's kind of stressful though. But if you're passionate about what you do, then I'm sure you're not going to be of any stress. Like, it's not going to seem like stress to you. So just make sure you're passionate about what you're doing and it's going to be easier for you. Now, next is making money as a writer on Wattpad. If you love reading stories, then I think Wattpad is not going to be strange in your ear or something. So Wattpad, okay, for the sake of those who do not know, Wattpad is a platform where you can read books for free. Like, for free, though not all books are for free, but a good number of them are actually for free. So in 2019, Wattpad actually brought up a program, and the program was named Wattpad Paid Story Program. So now this is a program whereby you as a writer, you can write your book and then you can actually request for money for the book. Yes, so now if you think your story is good enough, like it's worth paying for, yes, then you can actually turn on the option whereby people can actually pay before they can read your story. And there are writers who have made nothing from $1,000 even up to $2,000 just from Wattpad alone. Next on the list is writing movie scripts. Now movie script only works if you are a good storyteller. Yes, that's when writing a movie script actually works. So if you have amazing unique stories, like captivating stories, then you can consider being a script writer, like writing scripts for movies. You could just write a script, then if you have access to a producer, you can actually sell your script to him. I mean, scripts are really expensive. You can sell a script for, okay, let's use Nigerian currency. You can sell a script for 100,000 naira, 200,000 naira, 500,000 naira, even up to $1 million naira. Yes, scripts are that expensive, and I believe they are much more expensive in other countries like in the US or in the UK and so on. All you have to do is know how to write scripts, like learn how to write scripts. You could check YouTube for some tutorials and so on how to write scripts. I mean, it's not difficult. I mean, I do write scripts. I've written a good number of scripts and it's just there in my closet. I just do it for fun though. It's not really for commercial purpose. Down to the next one. This one is actually similar to the first one, but it's just that this one is writing script for content creators. Now there are so many people who are good on camera, like speaking on camera, but they're not good writing. Yes, so that's exactly where you come in. You can help them write their scripts and then you can get paid for it. So next on the list is copywriting, and this is one of my favorites. Now copywriting to me, in simple and easy to understand terms, is simply convincing somebody to buy a product or use a service through the power of writing. That is it. So if you can write a piece of article, you can actually convince somebody to maybe purchase a product, to purchase maybe this sneakers, or maybe to use a service or something, then you're going to make money from it. So copywriting is a high income skill. And why do I target a high income skill? This is because you can make even up to $10,000 monthly from copywriting alone. I mean, big companies are going to employ you to help them write copy so that they can make more sales. Copywriting is a very amazing skill to learn. I know a copywriter. He's actually one of my favorite YouTubers. His name is Dan Locke. He actually sells copywriting courses because he is a professional copywriter. So I mean, you could just check his YouTube channel, check his blog, then purchase his course, and I mean, it's really going to be worth it. All right, now next on the list is writing content on social media. Now, writing social media content actually works hand in hand with affiliate marketing, because when you write content on social media, maybe you could be writing to promote a particular product, and then you can just drop your affiliate link. Someone can easily click the link and purchase the product through you, and then you get a commission. Yes, it works hand in hand with affiliate marketing. So if you're good with creating social media content that are eye-catching, content that can bring audience, like that can bring engagements to your, maybe your profile, your Facebook profile, your IG profile, and so on, then I think you should consider being a content creator on social media. All right, so for sticking to the end of this video, I have a little bonus for you, and this bonus I'm going to give to you right now is going to help you to make more money as a writer, whether a blogger or you want to publish your own book, whether you want to publish your own ebook or whatsoever. It's going to really help you, and that bonus is creating a fan base. Yes, now you cannot do anything without a fan base. I mean, you could write a book and keep it for 10 years and nobody's going to read it if you do not have a fan base. Same thing goes with a blog. If you do not have a good maybe fan base, or you're not good with SEO, then nobody's going to read your blog. You're just going to be there and your articles are going to waste away. So I advise you build a fan base. You could build a fan base on Facebook, on Instagram, on Pinterest, even on YouTube. When you feel you have a certain number of audience, people that love you, people that actually want more of your work, then you can be like, okay, hey guys, I've published my very first book, I've started my very first blog, I've written my very first ebook, maybe you should go and check it out and so on. And if they love you, I mean, if you interact well with them, definitely they're going to patronize you and you're going to make money, like serious money. So again, thanks for watching my video, and a big shout out to the girl who inspired this video, and thanks so much for the inspiration. So please, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video so you can get to as much people as possible. And also, I make content like this every single week, content about business tips, how to make money online, how to make money offline, and so on. I make them on this channel, so be sure to subscribe and also hit the notification bell by the side so that you can get notified anytime I drop a new amazing video. And I'm going to see you in my next video, so bye for now.